Hey YouTube, welcome back to Urban Acres, and today we're going to be making the world's best lemonade. It's a very simple recipe, and let's get to it. So you're going to need some water, lemons, salt, sugar. You need, if you don't have organic cane sugar, you can use brown sugar, but do not use white sugar because then it's not going to turn out as good, and you're going to need a lot more sugar. Ground cumin, this is optional, but it tastes really good. A glass or a jar or something. And a lemon squeezer, a knife and a chopping board, and a spoon to mix. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking our lemons. I've already squeezed them and massaged them. That way the juice comes out a lot easier. And I'm gonna cut them. And then you can just take out whatever loose seeds. Take it out. Now the ratio of lemons and sugar is 1 tablespoon per lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons per lemon. And some people, they have a sweeter taste and some people have a more mellow, saltier taste. So I'm using 4 lemons, so I'll use about 4 to 8 tablespoons, we'll see. And the trick to having a perfect lemonade is if you try it, because it's all about your taste. So, and then you take it, and then you squeeze, and then do that. So squeeze all your lemons in the jar. Now, I'm doing this thing where I take the lemon and re-squeeze it with my hands. And I do that because, first of all, it doesn't waste. And second of all, those little pods, like this stuff, it's really good. And it kind of gives a little bit pop when you're drinking the lemonade. And it gives a texture. And, I mean, it's hard to explain, but you'll like it once you try it. And you don't want to waste it because lemons are expensive. So, one more to go. Okay, and we are almost done. Okay, so put that down. I'm gonna go rinse my hands real quick. Okay, so we have this much lemon juice, and like I said, you want to do 1 to 2 tablespoons per lemon. And I'm going to first start with a big pinch of salt. And I add salt because in anything that's sweet, you should always add salt in it, and it elevates it a lot better. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna start with 5 tablespoons because you can see how much lemon juice there is and how much sugar there is, and then we can always taste it and add as much more sugar as you need. Now, like I said, I add cumin, ground cumin. This is totally optional and it tastes really good without it, but it's always really good with this, so I add it. And I do not have today with me mint, but if you add mint in it, it tastes really good. So I'll be adding about like 1 teaspoon of this. I don't have a measuring spoon with me today, but I know how much I add. So I would add like 1 teaspoon. And then we're gonna take our spoon and you're gonna mix it. You wanna make like a syrup basically, and then we'll add the water. So it's okay if you can still see sugar clumps. You can leave it like that, it's totally fine. Just constantly mix. And I think that should be good. Okay. Then we're gonna take our water. You can use any kind of water. And you're gonna add till you feel like it's a good color. So the way of lemonade is you look at the color because it'll tell you on how it looks. So I would start with more of a concentrated more, and you can always add more water. You can't take away water, and it's really hard if you make it too concentrated. So you're gonna mix, mix, mix. It's really, really good. And once you don't feel too much sugar on the bottom, you can try it. Okay. It tastes really sweet, and the sourness and everything is good except there's too much sugar. So I'm gonna add some more water. And I'm gonna add another pinch of salt because I think it needs more salt. And I'm gonna continue to mix. I'm gonna try again. Okay. So it's like out of 8, it's like 7/8 ready. So it just needs like 1 more 1/8 of water. So instead of adding that extra 1/8 of water, I'm gonna add ice, and that way when you drink it, you have like salty ice, and you only get it if you drink it, but it's really good. So let me add my ice. I froze some cute elephant ice today. And you can pop these out if they will pop out.
You have to like do this, the whole thing. Yep, like that.
There we go, it's coming out.
Like this, like you're turning. Not two together. Like this. Take this. Okay. Let me try.
Cut these off.
Okay, we'll use the other.
Okay, well, I've got a different ice tray.
Okay.
That's a bad ice tray. Don't buy that. So I've got these, and you can put them in like a regular plastic water bottle, but I like them, so I'm adding them in this. And I like a lot of ice. I'm an icy person, so maybe next time I'll use a bigger jar too. But yeah, and I think it's good. And then
you gonna try it?
Try it. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's really, really good. Actually, this would even taste even better if you did add crushed ice. But this is great. Really refreshing, and especially when you're working in the hot Texas heat, it's amazing. It like literally, you're dead and then you drink it and it brings you back alive. So drink this, and especially if you're sick, it's also great. But have a good day, and I hope you tried this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch all the other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.